Hello, sis. Can you actually this time around try to hold yourself accountable? Accountable for your personal development journey. Accountable to achieving those goals that you've been setting all this while that you literally have not achieved. Or are you going to set your mind in a way that you become unstoppable this year? When most of the time, when you see people who are really making it or really blowing it will look as if that maybe there is just magic or maybe there is something or something they are not saying. But here is the truth from my own experience of what is really happening. People who are really making it, who are really, you see them succeeding in their cause or see them succeeding in their niche, have one similar trait, which is what I'm about to share with you today. And I want you to really take it serious and from today and start implementing it. One of the threats they have is all of us speaking positive words to themselves. Most of the time, we find ourselves feeling low, feeling below because life is happening. But here is the truth. We shouldn't be living by sight. We should be living by the words of our mouth. Even the Bible says, man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds out of the mouth of the Lord. Sis, is it not your own Bible or have you done it all? See, this year, a lot may have started happening. That even as you're making your resolution, preparing yourself to achieve more goals in your life, things might start happening in a way that you'll be like, this year, you'll be like, say, it will have a lot of things for here. We are not going to live by sight. We are not going to move by what we see. We're not going to move by what we have seen, the society is painting, the situation, even like the fire that burned there, even like people who lost their loved ones, even like people who are going through a lot of things this time around. Here is the word. You should not live by what you're seeing. Whatever the situation is trying to paint for you, whatever your eyes can see, don't believe it. Believe by the words that conceive out of your mouth. Whenever you see things not moving the way you want, pause and tell yourself, why should I believe this? Even the Bible says, whose report should we believe? Whose report? You can speak life into existence. You speak things that be not as though they were and they become life and truth. Sis, I want to hold hands with you to encourage you that this year, make it a point of duty to never use your mouth to destroy your destiny. Never use your mind to speak ill of yourself this 2025. Watch me. If you wake up in the morning, make sure you speak positive things about yourself. You're a female content creator, you're an impact driven woman. You're an impact driven woman for crying out loud. You're a person that we are to look up to. I don't hear you, nice you. We are meant to look up to you. But it's because you are still feeling, who am I? You are something. You are God's child. You're a choosing one. You're a Zion daughter. Stop looking down on yourself. Like this year, listen. Enough of, oh, my life is going this way. Oh, things are, oh, my mates. Who told you that they are your mates? Everyone you see on this Instagram and on this TikTok are on their way. Nobody is your mate. Even your classmates are not your mates. We all are on our own path. Just get that clear. Every one of us are on our own path. If you want God, declare it to come to pass and work towards it. Make sure that every day you're putting in the work. And when you woke up, most times I remember those days when I woke up, I would feel so tired. That was when I was my 9 to 5. I was so tired. I got tired of this feeling. Even when I started my business, that thing want to quit. I said, no. I noticed what is going on. I begin to speak life. I begin to declare things. I am strong. I'm energized. Why? Because God made me so. I am wonderfully and fearfully made. My voice shall not be shut. My eyes are seeing great things. I declare prosperity over my life, over my business. My business are attracting clients, premium clients, people that pay me for my work, people that love what I do. I begin to declare life over my business. Guess what? Things begin to unfold. Things begin to turn around. That doesn't mean that I don't experience challenges. No. I do experience it. But in those moments, I tell myself it's the way of life preparing me for a better time. If it's a mistake, I tell myself life is telling me this is not the right way to do it. Try another way. And if it's things that are heartbroken, I'll still pray, cry, get myself up and move on. This year, don't the worst thing someone will do to you is to make you lose your confidence and authenticity. That is the highest stealing, the highest gold. It's not even taking your silver and gold, it's taking your confidence, taking your identity, taking your confidence, taking your authenticity, your boldness, your courage to show up, to speak your mind. So there is a reason why you're on this earth. If anybody shuts you up, you're definitely shut. A closed mouth is saying a closed destiny. This period of time is the beginning of the year. A lot is happening. Yeah. But you're not going to believe or take those things you are saying to heart. What we're going to take to heart and feel it is what we declare. When you declare over our life, see it happening. I am destined for greatness. I am designed and formed by the image of God. And when you see that, think for a while, who is God? God is the Almighty. He is the omnipotent, omniscient, He that was and is to come. All power comes from Him. If you can imagine the strength and power that comes from God, and you are of His seed, you are created for greatness, how dare you fear? Why would someone shut you up? Why will you feel low about yourself? Have to believe you are destined for greatness. This year, I have something preparing for you in particular. I know we women, mothers, as you're entering into motherhood or you're already into motherhood, a lot is happening. You're trying to prepare yourself, you're trying to manage your business, you're trying a lot of things. I used to feel that burnout. Even during holidays, it's as if I used to be disconnected from my content creation. But this is how to organize. I have something to organize your plan, organize your life, put your goals in order. At times I was praying, I was saying, I need to build a system and structure for my business. That when I wake up, yes, I create content, but I want something that will be consistent in my marketing, in my content creation. I have built something amazing that can help you be accountable for yourself. Be accountable to yourself. Yeah, set your goal. Every day you have something, you have an accountable partner with you. You help you write what you want, declare what you want. In the evening, you say, be a CEO. I love that lifestyle, and that's what I'm giving it to you. I like when I have my own life, I have my team, I know what I want, I go for it. Like transitioning into entrepreneurship, my online business, I started feeling okay. Maybe I should, start, start dressing like model, all those things, you know. Then I got to me that no, you have people that inspire. You have to dress like the people you are inspiring. So I had to pick up because this is the way I dress, even in my 9 to 5. So I drop all of those things, feeling like, oh, those things, but I have to be the person, that very version of yourself you want. Dress like that woman. Whenever you're showing up, that very woman you admire, dress like her. What does it take? Keep doing it. It might be tiring. Like me, I was like, after doing this thing, not. I tell myself, if that's the price, let me pay it. If that is the price, let me pay it. I know the one I did attracted me to noble people, and that's where I'm going. Where I'm going, I'm unstoppable. I need to dress like the people I'm working with. So this year says, stop comparing yourself to anyone. Stop thinking that anyone is your mate. Stop saying negative things about yourself. Stop feeling that you are below, that nobody have gone past you. If you say it, it becomes true. Now, I want you to share this video to any sister that you know that needs to hear it, and comment on the section that I am designed for greatness. See you in the next video.